Hello, my name is James. Today, I am honored to make this video. It's done in a simple, easy to follow, step-by-step roadmap to realize your dreams. Let's get started. Neville Goddards' 10-step process for manifestation. 1. Identifying your desire. It is crucial that you know what it is that you desire. If you don't know, how do you expect the universe to know? The universe is only a reflection of what you are, and what you believe to be true. 2. The power of affirmative statements. One of Neville Goddards' most powerful manifestation techniques is the use of affirmative statements. By repeatedly affirming that your desire is already a reality, you program your mind to believe it, and it takes steps to make it a reality. 3. The use of creative visualization. Another powerful manifestation tool recommended by Neville Goddard is the use of creative visualization. This involves picturing your desired outcome in your mind as if it has already happened. The more details you can include in your visualization, the better. 4. The power of assuming the feeling of your desire. Another one of Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques is to assume the feeling of your desire. This means picturing yourself already in possession of or experiencing your desire. By feeling the emotions associated with your desire, you become a vibrational match to it and are more likely to attract it into your life. 5. The act of writing down your desires. One of the simplest, yet most effective, manifestation techniques recommended by Neville Goddard is to write down your desires. This helps to clarify your desires and also reinforces your commitment to manifesting them. 6. The practice of daily meditation. Meditation is a key tool for manifestation, as it allows you to connect to your higher self and receive guidance on manifesting your desires. Neville Goddard recommends meditating for at least 15 minutes each day. 7. The art of self-love and self-acceptance. One of the most important aspects of manifestation is self-love and self-acceptance. In order to attract your desires, you must first love and accept yourself unconditionally. By doing so, you send out a powerful signal to the universe that you are worthy of receiving your desires. 8. The power of gratitude. Live your life with an attitude of gratitude even after you have achieved your desired outcome. This helps to reinforce your belief that you are deserving of good things and keeps you in a state of openness and receptivity to receiving your desires. 9. The importance of letting go. In order to manifest your desires, it is important to let go of any attachment to the outcome. This means relinquishing any attachment to how your desire will come to you and instead trusting that the universe will provide the perfect circumstances for its manifestation. 10. The power of faith. The final, and perhaps most important, manifestation technique recommended by Neville Goddard is faith. Having faith in yourself, your ability to manifest your desires, and in the universe is essential for manifestation. By cultivating faith, you open yourself up to limitless possibilities and increase your chances of achieving your desired outcome. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. OpenAI.com/playground helped with the creation of this video.